Ang maganda naman, when I took over last July 1 last year, 2025, very clear naman yung understanding namin with the President Bongbong Marcos. Klaro siya, no compromise kami with regard to smuggling. Pinangalanan niya alin yung mga dapat naming higpitan. Of course, number one, agricultural products.
Correct.
Dahil aside from the revenue losses, yung impact niyan doon sa
Sa
buhay ng
local.
mga magsasaka,
Oo, onions lang
masakit
eh.
talaga
Oo,
yun.
bigas.
Plus yung presyo and so on and so forth. Ano? So, inisa-isa yan, agricultural products, including tobacco products.
And ano ba yung usually, ano yung pinakamalaking, pinaka-prevalent na form ng smuggling? Pinakamalaki ba yung agriculture?
During that
Agricultural
time,
products?
kasi moving yan eh. So, nung ibinili ni President Bongbong yung unahin namin higpitan ng agricultural products, which we did,
Right.
masakit ulo ng smugglers ngayon talaga. Maaaring may nagpapalusot dyan, pero nahuhuli yan. So, pero ngayon, hindi na yun yung number one kasi hinigpitan namin yan, yung agri-products eh. Tinutulungan rin kami ng other agencies.
Anong number one ngayon? Com?
Kung kukumputin na, wala pa official report kasi ano pa lang, January pa lang, February pa lang. So mukhang nauunahan na yan ng, nung una, agri, and then yung mga sasakyan, then electronics, and so on and so forth. Then petroleum.
Right.
So ngayon, titignan ko naman petroleum. Tignan natin.